This tutorial will go over how to execute different types of tasks on the Agras T30 and/or T10 app. During fully autonomous operation, start the operation after planning and editing the fields. Tap the Operation Fields information icon to call the fields, which may be in the Fields or Executing status. Fields in the Field status have already been planned, and those in the Executing status have tasks that have not been completed. A completion percentage is displayed for fields in the Executing status. Tap on the fields to show the Edit and Use options. If you need to modify the route, tap Edit to enter the editing status. The route splitting function allows you to divide the route into multiple tasks. For example, you can cut a route into 2 tasks with segments of 0 to 50% and 51% to 100%. This way, you can divide the work between 2 drones. You can also perform operations on selected segments with specific ratios. In some spreading scenarios, it's only necessary to spread at a periphery of the fields, which can be accomplished by splitting the route in the edge sweeping mode. If you encounter an unidentified obstacle, long press the screen to add a polyagonal or circular obstacle. Tap Save to overwrite original field. If you need to save the field as a new field, select Save As. Tap Use. The task setting on the left is usually 15 to 30 liters per hectare. Select a safe location between the takeoff and landing point and the field and long press it to set it as a middle point. Subsequent Agras drones following this route will fly to this location to avoid the obstacles. After the parameters are adjusted, confirm that the takeoff environment is safe once again and tap Execute. Set the departure height and speed and slide the Execute task slider. The drone will take off and start operation automatically. You can also choose to manually fly the drone to the starting point of the route and then slide the slider to start the task. The task will be suspended when the pesticide is used up, or the drone is instructed to move left, right, forward, or backward. If the pesticide is used up, instruct the Agras drone to return for refill and battery change. Then tap Continue, and the drone will return to the point where the pesticide was used up. If the task is suspended due to an obstacle, you can choose a return point as prompted on the screen. During the task, the drone will display the point at which it will run out of pesticide in real time based on the pesticide level in the tank. You can choose to land the drone nearby as prompted. For example, the current no pesticide point is at the upper position of the route, but you can also land the drone before it reaches the field's boundary to refill the pesticide tank. If the task is not completed all at once, you can end this task to finish it. To resume the task, select this task in the Executing status and use Incomplete Task.